So he has a swamp where he has a lot of fish. We want to go and see a little bit, then we continue. So she's cooking pilau. Wow, wow. We're having a little bit fun, taking you to places that you will never go with the tourist companies. I'm taking you to places that are natural. You will wonder if you come here. Pembo. Yeah. Basi imeisha. So my people, we are going to my friend's place. The road, as you can see. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. This is the TAG church. Okay. Mtabadilika mwanangu. It's a natural places that you enjoy, you know? This is a very beautiful place. Sasa wakubwa. Ile bridge ya kule mmeivunja. Iko kama kaa. Ile ya kwako. So guys, this is the road to this guy's place, and you just watch me crossing it. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. So we are here. We're getting in. Just from the river straight in. Let's go. Mama anamlisha mtoto. So this woman here, we just found this woman here doing her thing. Habari mama. Pole na kazi. Oh, watoto wako ni wazuri jamani. Wow, wonderful. Unamlisha watoto? Okay. And there is another woman here. She's cooking pilau. Wow, wow. That's pilau preparation. Dada unaitwa nani? Mama G. I said tumefurahi sana kuja kwako na kukusalimia. Tumekuta unapika pilau. Haya, asante. Okay. Baba. Haya, bye. Bye. Ananishangaa tu. Baba. Okay, so we are going to the next phase. Yeah, let's go. Let's come. Another trench where they do irrigation. Look at what he's doing all that. Abambwa maji. So let's go. We are going to see the swamp. Let's go. Today is just like this. Today is just like this. So where are we here? Which place are we? Oyster Bay. It's nearby Engo Sheraton. Okay, so Engo Sheraton is where you have this tarmac road, where the tarmac road ends, and then you go down to Intel. Malaysia. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're going to dump. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's go. We are here. We are in this home already. Let's go and see where the swamps, where the fish are kept. This guy has kept this fish over than 25 years, I've been knowing. So let's go and see. Let's go and see. So welcome, my people. Welcome. This is where we see all this, the beautiful scene of the swamps, and where you can have a little good time a day. You can come here and enjoy all this space here. You can have it and enjoy it privately, you know, somewhere on your own. Okay, thank you. Let's continue watching. Smash that like button. Okay. See those birds? Yeah, those birds are called hadada ibis. Just check them. Wanatafuta samaki na yenyewe, lakini kwa sababu maji ni ya kijani yanakuwa ngumu kuwapata. Here they have catfish and there they have tilapia. So let's go and check. Fish. So guys, we are here. We are having a little bit fun. Angalau siingie kwenye maji leo kabisa. Yeah, so we're having a little fun here. And if you also want to have a little fun, you can come, you know. You can come here and have a little fun.
wastani mwa wajao duniani. Hakuna atayebaki kwa kuwa tumepotea. Nafikiri kwa akili ya kawaida ni wapi tunapokwenda na ni nani atabaki. Vipi? Fiti na shangazi, na inapokuwa ni mchezo unaofaa. Ukikataa unaonekana ni kidume siyefaa. Kwa madada ni biti asiyeng'aa na kataa. Hii ni dhana isiyofaa, ni tamaa. Utayaziba masikio, utakwambia unayofanya sio. Wale wa juu na chini, tajiri na maskini, hakuna atabaki. Stali hii kafiri, mwenye akili atakiri. Mwenendo wa tamaa za mwili, tunaona dili vimchweli. Ni nini unafili? Kusalia kudalali, upapumzi upuuzi, uzinzi, nani atabaki?
Hamna taa. Okay. So he has also these goose. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you're enjoying it, smash the like button, subscribe. So these are the cabbages. Yeah, these people, they have cabbages.
Sasa tugongane 18. Leta hapo. Usiame kuyugo huko zaidi. Alishakuwa mkubwa baya. Hiyo hapa mfano ule mama fiwa. Sasa sema ngoja kwa sababu tamiti hapo nita. Wote pale tu bana. Kama hizo nani? Wote pale tu.
So you saw a dudu a dam for that. Okay, now we are in the So this is River Themi. This here is River Themi. And if you have seen the Themi Suits, there is a hotel called Themi Suits named after this place here. I mean after this river. It's very stony. You can see a lot of stone. Hey guys, welcome. This is the natural spring water from Arusha, Themi River. So this is our water tap. This is what we call a water tap. It's not the one to open and close. This is the water tap, and this is the water that I will drink here. It's so fresh and clean, so nice. I will drink. Oh. Ah, so sweet. Okay, let's continue. So now we are crossing River Themi again, and we are heading to Kikwakwaru all the way down. We are going to Njiro. So let's continue. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Yeah, always be available on my videos. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your subscription. Let's go. Taking you to places that you will never go with the tourist companies. I'm taking you to places that are natural. You will wonder if you come here.